The Longshan walking tour was an unforgettable experience that brought history and culture to life. Our guide, Roro, was knowledgeable and engaging, providing fascinating insights into the Longshan Temple, its architecture, and the rituals practiced there. The tour also explored the surrounding area, highlighting hidden gems like traditional markets, historic streets, and local eateries. The pace was relaxed, allowing ample time to soak in the atmosphere, ask questions, and take photos. The blend of spirituality, history, and local flavor made the tour both educational and enjoyable. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a deeper connection to Taipei's rich heritage. Insightful tour that left us feeling time flies. How have 2 hours already passed? Our friendly guide Dale infuses her storytelling with a great sense of humor, keeping us amused throughout. Amazed by her wealth of knowledge about Taiwan's history as a Colombian. If you enjoy her or other guide service on this tour, you may feel free to tip them, typically around 400 TWD 600. Nothing will go wrong when old customs meet the new generation. You will experience this here in Taipei, Taiwan. Pack your bags and enjoy the beauty of Taiwan. Also, never forget to say thank you for those people who joined the tour. Highly recommended free walking tour at Taipei. Great and must-try experience to know more about the traditions and culture of Taiwan. Had a great time on this one. I highly recommend the tour. Our guide was outstanding. She is very knowledgeable about the local history, and I learned a lot about Taiwan and the different religions at the temple. Communication was not an issue, her spoken English was excellent. Great and very informative tour. Best way to explore TGE Temple and the neighboring area and really understanding the culture. Very worthwhile. The tour leader gave good advice. The meeting point was very easy to find. There weren't many people at the temple. For those who are coming for the first time, I recommend it. The guide will tell you all the history. Amazing tour, great guide, and a great experience for all ages. So insightful and interesting. Very nice tour, guide was very good. I enjoyed a lot. It was a very nice experience to learn the culture of Taiwan by this tour. Thanks for this free treat. We appreciate our American tour guide, Mark, who seemed so knowledgeable with the history and culture of Taiwan. He shared many interesting insights to every historic spot of the Longshan Temple area. He made most of us experience the prayer ritual the way locals do.